Hello, my name is Jennifer and I'm the owner of OC Professional Maintenance Team. Are you having plumbing problems? Is your sink getting backed up? Do you need a new toilet? Your laundry room's not working? Things get backed up? Give us a call. I can help you. Me and my team can go out there and take care of all your plumbing needs. We can help unclog drains, like I said, install toilets. We can actually remove that old tub nobody actually uses anymore and actually install a walk-in shower for you. We do tile work, we do plumbing work, we do linear drains. If that's something that you're interested, give us a call. I can help you.